In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share your games on Steam using the Steam Family Sharing feature. First, open the Steam app and log into your account. Click on Steam in the top left corner, then go to Settings. From the Settings menu, select Family in the left panel and check the box that says Authorize Library Sharing on this computer. After that, you'll see a list of accounts that have logged into Steam on your computer. Select the account you want to share games with and click Authorize. Now they can access your games from their own Steam account. Remember, only one person can play a shared game at a time. And that's how you use Steam Family Sharing to share your game library.